Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just don't bleed in a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat. And your location, if you feel comfortable. You know, just your country, maybe. If you're in the States, then if you want, you can include your city. So feel a little more camaraderie, a little more unity, solidarity when we're trading. Currently on this higher low right now, bouncing off the 20 MA. Looking for a 1-to-1 on the swing trade here. This is the correct, should be the correct pivot to use. I hope. I sure hope so. What a day yesterday, pandas. What a day yesterday. Daily chart, currently, strong bull bar. You're thinking follow through. You're thinking new all-time highs. You're thinking all of this stuff here. And that's what I'm thinking too. Right? You're thinking follow through on a strong bull bar here like this. 2000 tick chart struggling right now. Boy, oh boy, I don't know. The higher low setup. That was a good setup, but it's looking a little sus now. We might be entering into a limit order market here. We did have news at 8:30. It didn't do much though. We did have news at 8:30, but it didn't do much. If you guys are looking for big news, it'll be next week, Tuesday, CPI numbers. I mean, could there be any more perfect timing? Because we have the promo BBM ending next Tuesday, so it's actually perfect timing. I feel like I'm finding myself in a bad trade right now. What can I say? The follow through is pretty horrendous here. Pandas. Good morning, my pandas. I'm Bye Money. Thanks for joining. We are live trading the Emini, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time every single day. I'm glad you guys are here. Bill 7, good morning, pandas. Scalp that like button. Yeah, did you hear about Aqua Funded? It's so sketchy. What is Aqua Funded? You're gonna have to tell them. I have no idea what that is. K-Poker market only goes up. Yes, it does. Rick's trading. Good morning. Hugh, good morning. I'm in America. Bamboo trades only. Let's get it. Good morning, everyone. Ruben, good morning. If green is bamboo, what is red? I don't know. Blood. Avalon, good morning. D-Lou, welcome. Jeff, morning. Tate, good morning. Aqua Funded. It's so scary. Is it like another prop firm? Josh, good morning. Texas. From Texas. Good morning. Laundry. Hi, Panda. How does a new Apex payout work? Are you international or domestic to the U.S.? If you're domestic, it's just direct deposit. If you're international, I believe they use Wise. And if they don't use Wise, I don't know what they're using. Sorry. You may have to jump onto the Apex website to get more information. Don't trust anyone, not even me. Make sure you do your due diligence. But from what I understand, they use Wise. Black Light Gypsy Pandas. Pandas apostrophe S. That means it's possessive. Pandas. It's the panda's shoes. Oh, this is getting choppy. Choppity whoppity. Looks like a bad trade now. But, I believe we can get to the previous day's close. Sure. Right at market open. It's nice and slow right now. Taking it nice and slow. I made a new resolution, Pandas. 1 contract only until payouts. We're trading only 1 contract. Even if I see multiple setups, just 1 contract, Pandas. Just 1 contract. New resolution here. Every trade will be only 1 contract. And I have to decide before I enter the trade if I'm going to swing it or I'm going to scalp it. That's it. That's it. Bill 7. Easy formula. Aqua funded appears to be forex. Therefore, it sucks. Easiest formula of all time. Mark about to open 5 minutes. I'm finding myself stuck in a trade here. I guess if you're finding yourself stuck in a trade, it pretty much means you're in a bad trade. Good morning, Pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Thanks for joining. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. I'm Bye Bye Money. We're about to get the show on the road here. Market's about to open. Daily chart, strong bull bar, any near its high. You're thinking follow through, always in long bulls coming in here hot. Yesterday, just wild. After the stream, it just didn't do much. Slow grind upwards. Just a painful grind upwards. Yeah, but alright, that's enough with this aquaphone and no one cares. Just let it go. Let it go, man, let it go. Or let it snow. If you know what I mean. Got an inside bar here. Hopefully it breaks to the upside. We get a nice little push up. Let it sink. Okay. Inside bar breaks to the upside. Good news for us, I think. Ultimately it's good news for us. I'm thinking we're coming back to the previous day's close. But what do I know? I'm just a panda. Also, it's a 1-to-1 risk reward on the swing trade here. Rock runs another day like yesterday. Hopefully, yeah, that'd be great. Right now, the prop firm business is just crazy. I think Apex has a nice hold on the market. I think they sell the best prices. I think they're the most reliable still with the best product. So, hence, I am with Apex. But I'm not married to Apex. I have no commitments. I'm not contracted to them. They don't give me free stuff ever. So, I'm with you guys, Pandas. I'm with you guys. I don't get free things. Only time I get free things is when I want to give it away to you guys. That's the only time I get free things. I'll tell you this though, this is moving like molasses. Dripping out of your mouth. Market about to open in 30 seconds here. Staying strong in this trade here. It's a higher low confirmation off the 20 EMA. Hopefully get a little blast off at the market open. I'd love to see it. I would love to see that, Pandas. A little blast. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Hadouken! 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 Come on! Shuriken! Oh no, it's reversing. Oh, that's not good. That ain't good. That ain't good, Pandas. That ain't good. That's not a good start. Come on. The clear target is a previous day's close. That's all I want. Is it too much to ask for, Pandas? Is it too much to ask for? I think it is. I think it's going to take me out here. Starting to sink like a rock. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. I know you can do it. Hadouken! Shuriken! Why does this look so sus? It's looking sus all the way up. I mean, we're bouncing off the 20 MA. What can I say? That's a good thing for us. We keep bouncing off the 20 MA. Got a clear target up above. I don't know if I can take another reversal here. I don't know if I like that. Another reversal. Eesh. It's looking ugly. No follow through on that. Come on. Ugh, I really don't want a reversal here. I really don't want a reversal. Ah, it gives me the reversal. Darn. We're still above the 20 MA, so we can potentially still be pretty good here. But I don't like it. I don't like it. It's creating like a wedge here. Slowly going. It's a spiking channel. Small spiking channel here. It's feeling sus. More and more sus as it develops. Lean into your mistakes, pandas. Lean into your mistakes here. Hadouken! I'm scared, pandas. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared. I just made a rule that I'm only trading one contract. I'm already 3 contracts deep in this. And it's about a waterfall and take all my stops out. This is not looking good, pandas. This is not looking good. If this triggers, this is bad news. Alright, 1 contract gets eaten up. Oh man, it's a reversal setup. Ooh, it's looking bad. Looking really bad right now. Okay, takes out that stop. It's very interesting. It just takes out the stop. It just wanted to take out one of my contracts, I guess. I don't know. Lean into your mistakes, pandas. Hadouken! I'm committed, pandas. This is one. I literally made a rule. I said I'm only trading 1 contract. I'm already 3 contracts in. I was actually 4 contracts in. One of them got taken out along the way. I'm committed to this one, pandas. I am committed. Come on. Come on. Come on, get to my target. Come on, you're so close. You're so close. If it just reverses here, pandas, then so be it. It's just, it is what it is. But we're staying committed to this trade, pandas. We are committed. Come on! Come on! Come on! Hadouken!
Target.
Hadouken! It's just one contract. Only one contract got filled. I need another contract get filled here.
Target.
Let's go, baby. All right, I'll keep it here. We'll have a runner. Let's see if we have a runner here. We'll keep a runner here. Basically, it's break even +1 on this trade here. Actually, this trade here. Hadouken! Whoo! Ric Flair, whoo! Let's see. Yeah, my entry was here on this higher low. So, I mean, let's see if we get a runner. I mean, might as well try. Might as well try. Who knows? We might get lucky here. We might really just get lucky. I feel like we're not. I feel like this is very choppy. I don't know. This is really exuding strong uptrend here. Yeah, who knows? Let's see. Let's see if we can get a nice runner. See if we can get a nice runner here. Pandas can dream, right? Pandas can dream. It's not looking good though, pandas. I'll tell you that much. It's not looking good. It's not looking pretty. Zero emotions. My one contract rule lasted about 5 seconds, pandas. I made a hard and fast rule. I only will trade one contract, and I broke it in 5 seconds. All right, we're out. We're at $41, pandas. Take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I actually had a loser here. You can see all my trade markers. I went long here, got stopped out. Went long again. Went long again. Went long again. This one gets stopped out. But entered again long and then basically break even on this one. And made a little bamboo here from here to here. All together up $41. I'll take it. Higher time frames showing trading range. Another reason why I felt confident we can get up here is because we were at the bottom of the trading range, come back to the top. Now I'm thinking we're going back to the bottom of the trading range here. 5-minute chart as well, bottom of the trading range. Bottom of the trading range here. Guess we're looking for short trades here. Hey, green is green, pandas. I'll take it. I'll take it. Green is green. You guys even reminded me. Avalon, one contract till payout. 5 minutes later, Hadouken! It looks bearish to me. I still wait for my setup. Give me a small pullback here. I like a second entry short, fail second entry long, whichever one comes. Come back to the bottom of the trading range is what I'm thinking. Yeah, on the way up, it didn't feel like a very strong trend. So when that happens, maybe I should just realize my runner may not be worth taking. I don't know. Just take it all at the runner, because I ultimately, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4 points almost, right? Like $200. $200 I could have been up even higher than I am right now. So the thing about swing trades, the nice thing about swing trades is that you're further away from your runner to get stopped out, but at the same time, when your runner does get stopped out, it's like you kind of put a lot left on the table, right? You left a lot on the table, and that kind of sucks. It's a lower high here. Looks bearish to me. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Panda needs some AdSense money. Okay, interesting. I may take this lower high. I'm kind of interested in it. It's not a setup I normally take, but this is a hidden fail second entry long. What I mean by that, A, B, C, right? 2 legs down, and then we got a second entry long here, hidden second entry long. But that, if this reverses here, it'd be a failure. If I'm eager to go short, it may be worth taking on this first entry here. Of course, if we get, if we push strongly above the 20 MA, I'm no longer interested. I may take this short, actually, Pandas. I may take this short. I don't know. I just feel like it's clear to me that it wants to go down to the bottom of the trading range. No? If it's a strong bull bar, I can't take it. Give me a decent signal bar, I'll consider it. Give me a decent signal bar, I'll consider it. Okay. That's a decent looking signal bar. Don't go too far down on me though. I'll take it here. I mean, the risk is small. Okay. Okay, it's getting a little bigger. Signal bar still looking decent. Now it looks doji-esque. Give me a small red body, I'll take it. Ah, it's pure doji. It's a pure doji, Pandas. Ah, pure doji. Is that good enough for me? The risk is not too big. Pandas, I made a pact with myself. I only trade one contract from now on. Only one contract at a time per trade. Alright, Pandas? You heard it here. You heard it here. Yours truly will only trade one contract until payouts. I will never break that promise. Okay. Interesting. Now I'm looking for a second entry short. Might as well. Might as well. Might as well wait for the second entry short, no? I feel like I'm gonna lose it. I have so much FOMO right now. It's like a clear like cliff. And here's the ground, and it's like we're slipping on the cliff, about to fall off. I'm eager to jump in here. Let's just wait for our setup though. It keeps flashing like a small reversal here. Okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. Give it to me. Second entry short, I'll take it. I'll take it. One contract only, pandas, because I never break my promises. One contract only. You heard it here, pandas. This is a promise to you guys. From me to you. I only will trade one contract until payouts per trade. Oof. Okay. It doesn't look good if you want to go short here. Okay. Is this gonna be bullish? Is this gonna just say, forget you. We don't care about trading ranges. We don't care about trading ranges here. Oh boy. Oh boy. To short or not to short? The close beneath the 20 MA, pandas. I feel like Goodwill Hunting right now. I was trying to calculate this. This was tough. This was tough. What can I say? This was tough. I think it's worth it, yeah. I think it's worth it. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Let's get to the bottom of the trading range here. If this reverses on me, I'm gonna let it reverse. I don't think I can take it. It's a weird looking reversal, even if it reverses here, right? This looks like a bear flag. Strong push down, then a bear flag, right? We want to continue this push down, looking for a new low of some sort. That's what it feels like. This is what we want here. I could be completely wrong, but that's not the follow through you want, right? That's not the follow. I'll say it right now. That's not the follow through you want. That's not what I'm looking for, pandas. That's not what I'm looking for. What can I say? That's not it. But what else can I do other than take the hit here and move on to the next trade? I gotta attempt that second entry short, no? I gotta try at least. It starts to reverse here a little bit. Possible reversal and take me out here. You know what they say, lean into your mistakes. I mean, I can't script. You can't script this. You can't script this. I hope it just takes me out so I don't go into more positions. Just take me out, please. Alright, it takes me out. Pandas, what a confusing day. I mean, second entry short. I guess we're looking for a new high now. This could blast off here. Just weird. Just weird. Look at all these dojis. It just feels like a trading range type day. What can I say? Therefore, choppy. Therefore, limit order market. Therefore, you make money entering limit order markets, not stop orders like this. I was kidding, pandas. I wasn't going to go into another. There was no way I was going to go into another contract. Especially after I made a promise not to do it. There was no way I was gonna do it. You guys thought I was gonna do it. There's no way I was gonna do it. Bray passes eval. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Huh. I don't know what to do here, Pandas. Do I want to go short again? It looks so choppy. I don't feel confident in any of this right now. Do I want to go short here? Not really. Not really. But could be a decent move down. Ugh. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know. I think I'm going to sit on my pause on this one. I don't know. I ever attempted to go short, and it failed on me. Now this trap fails. Darn. I'm gonna attempt it. I'm gonna try. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Are we looking for a new high? Is that what we're looking for right now? Jeez. Huh. I don't know. Might be one of those markets you just stay away from all day. It's just very tricky. Pandas, I was kidding. I wasn't going to go into another contract. Come on. You really thought so? You guys have no faith in me. What to do, Pandas? This is looking sus. All right, the price action right now very choppy. Limit order market on the 5-minute chart. I mean, the 5-minute chart. It tells the whole story right now. It's just complete overlapping bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars. Just chilling. I feel like I gotta start shorting with limit orders here. I don't really do it, Pandas, but I'm about to start today. If you know what I mean. Just sell with a limit order, see what happens. Somewhere up here. Maybe up here. Look at this. It's a hot dog, right? You got the left bun, you got the right bun, you got the hot dog in the middle. This just means it's confusion. Absolute confusion here. Look at this. Price action over here. Price action over here. It's just oozing trading range right now. It means it's a limit order market, but the question is, where did I place my limit orders? I mean, I guess here. Maybe here? I'll put a limit order here, see what happens, yeah? I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, limit order market. Can we take advantage of it, Pandas? Or we can get burned here. Huh. Huh. I don't know how to do this, Pandas. I'll risk 2 to gain 2? 1 to 1? Does that seem fair? I don't know. Risk 2 to gain 2. 1-to-1 risk reward. That's a problem with limit order markets. I have no idea how to manage risk. I guess technically I can try to put it here. It'd be like a 1-to-1 trade. 3 points? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, Panis. You tell me. You tell me. How do I do this? I'm scared. I have no idea what I'm doing. I never trade limit order markets. Hence, I have no idea where to put my risk reward. Two points.
Target filled.
Pandas, I'm amazing. That's called professional trading right there. You randomly place a limit order somewhere, and then you randomly take your target somewhere. It's just pure feeling. That's called true professional trading. One day it's an intuition trading, discretionary trading, Pandas. You can't teach that stuff. You can't teach that. You can't teach that master setup right there. You cannot teach that. You just need to watch, observe, and be amazed. That's it. Pandas, I have no idea what I'm doing. That was limit order market. Sure, why not? I'll just scalp that 2 points. Give it to me. If that's all you're gonna give me, I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, the 5-minute chart still very, very choppy. Just going up and down, up and down. I don't know, Pandas, what to do here. We still have room to the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Still room to the bottom of the range on the 10,000 tick chart as well. Okay, it's going up now. Truly have no idea. I mean, should I sell again with limit orders? Just try again? I mean, look at the market. It's just so choppy. Okay, the limit order market would have worked again, actually. I mean, just look at the current price action. It looks very choppy. It is a limit order market. So if you sense a limit order market, you gotta, you gotta always join the crowd. That's what trading is, learning how to join the crowd as quick as possible. Okay, pushing up here. This is one of those days, huh? Just one of those days. Pandas, don't forget that we have BBM. Use code BBM. It used to be like BBM 80, BBM 90, BBM 50, whatever. But now just use code BBM. That works for all of them. You get the best promo possible. 80% off Apex evals. Let's get it. Ends next week, Tuesday. So take advantage of it while it still lasts. I will say though, Pandas, if you're like me and you like to pass your evals in one fell swoop by trading the news, it's amazing that Apex still allows it. And as long as they allow it, I will take advantage of that. And they do not care how you trade your evals. Now for PA counts, that's a different story. I do not condone trading news with PA counts. In fact, I say don't do it. But with evals, it's all, it's all fair. All fair. But if you're looking for big news that could possibly move the market enough so you can pass your evals in one single trade, then next week, Tuesday, is it. CPI numbers, core CPI, next week, Tuesday. Be on the lookout for that. We're still in a limit order market, as you can tell. If you just sold the limit order slightly above the previous highs, you'll be making some bamboo here. Boy, oh boy, though. I don't know. I don't know how to manage my risk reward with the limit orders. I guess at the end, Al Brooks will always say you only risk as much as you're willing to lose. So, 4 points? I don't know. That's a lot. All right, now we're pushing up here. Maybe looking for a new high, maybe double top, maybe starting the bull trend here. Blacklist, says I crash at least 15 times on average in the mornings. I tried syncing with OneDrive the other night thinking it might help, and instead I lost all my third-party licenses, indicators, and add-ons. They gave me some recommendations, but they didn't work, so they need to remotely access my laptop. Ninja Trader, man, that sucks. That sucks. I hope they resolve it. Let us know what they do to resolve it. I'm very curious to see how they do it. This looks ugly. This is untradeable actually. Unless you're like me and you can scalp with limit orders as amazing as I just did. Truly confusing. Okay. It's a limit order market, but it's grinding upwards. I mean, if anything, this feels like a double top is about to form. Right? I mean, when it goes up like this, it just feels like it's the market's not convicted either way, right? Bullish or bearish. So I feel like when it hits these resistances, I don't think it's gonna have enough conviction to break through. What can I say though? Mo7, you missed it. You missed the most amazing trade earlier this morning. I'm pretty much break even right now with all my commissions. I mean, you could say I am profitable. I'm up $8.24. I mean, across 4 counts, was that? That's like about $32. About $35. It's actually $34.96. Pandas. I mean, that's like 3 Chipotle burritos. Double meat. Ruben likes this PA. That's he must be one of a kind because I do not know how to trade this at all. I mean, other than obviously realizing this is a limit order market, I should be selling near the tops of the previous pivot highs, buying near the bottoms of the previous pivot lows. I should be doing that all the way up. and continue to scalp like I guess 1 point at a time. I don't know. It's not even worth it for me. It's not even worth it for me, in my opinion. Ruben's up 500 though. I mean, this to each his own. That's amazing. That's why I find trading fascinating, because that's one of the reasons why, at least. Everyone has different strengths. Everyone can just see certain things differently. If you could just find like a trader that combines like all traders combined. I was born in the top, motivated. Oh, you think Chop is your ally? Ah, choppiness. Chopness. This is wild. This is wild. This PA is wild. What can I say? It's not one I like to trade personally. So here we are together, pandas. Watching this market slowly grind its way up to death. Like I just, Apex doesn't approve my requested cycle. Lots of people have gotten denied. According to Apex Discord, lots of people still hanging around waiting for the approval denial. You mean like the submissions for? Oh, okay. Yeah, they have basically until mid-month to tell you. Middle of the month to tell you if you get approved or not. It's usually quicker, but I think in their agreements they have until mid-month to really tell you. But it's a bit silly, right? Because you're just waiting for your money to be taken out. It's hard to trade knowing that your money is still in there. Sung Flung Poo? What a name. I don't think I've ever seen that name. All he writes is X. It doesn't mean anything. This guy's first chat ever in this stream is X, and his name is Sung Flung Poo. Oh man. Why every time? This is getting quite frustrating. Okay, big push down here. I'll take a fail second entry long if we get it. Fail second entry long, give it to me. Come on, give it to me. You know you wanna. Fail second entry long. Come to Papa. It's probably gonna create a triangle of some sorts, in my opinion. Markets that are this choppy tend to make triangles. Because the market's trying to figure out what to do. I don't want it. I don't want a triangle. But what can I say? Most likely will turn to a triangle. Right? As the bulls and bears, basically, they're trying to make money both ways, right? And they get less and less and less and less until finally one wins over the other, essentially. Second entry long. May get a fail second entry long here. And the problem with this one is that it will hit the bottom of the triangle. Which could be sus. I don't know what to do, pandas. I might be happy with my $8.24 today. Green is green, yeah. Green is green. What can I say? What can you say? Okay, makes a micro double top, hits the bottom of the triangle. Let's see what happens here. Okay, breaking beneath. Let's see. Strong bear bar, ending near its low. Strong bear bar, ending on its low. 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar, ending on its low. 10,000 tick chart. Strong bear bar, ending on its low. 2,000 tick chart. All charts showing strong bear bar, ending on its low. I say that because most likely follow through on that. Most likely to be follow through of some sort. Should be, at least, if it's a normal market. If it's a choppy market like this, maybe not. Maybe not so much. Wowzers. Okay, bouncing off the bottom of the triangle. What a surprise. What a surprise here. Just enjoy the music, relax, pandas. Just enjoy the music, enjoy the vibes today. Because nothing is working, nothing's happening. Ugh. Avalon looking for thoughts and prayers. Good luck. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm just sitting on pause. When I'm confused, I typically just don't do anything. Why would I? No idea what's happening. You got the trap trade here. Oh boy. It's a limit order market though. Everything is telling me not to take this trap. But I have one little devil telling me, Panda, do it for the content. Do it for the content. One little devil panda. I have 100 voices telling me not to take this trap. But that one voice saying, do it for the content. This is all I hear. Everyone's doing the enter, trade, and pray strategy. That's what everyone's doing right now. It's quite interesting. But the triangles looks like it's starting to work itself out as a triangle. Which is classic sign of confusion in the market. Huh, I don't know. At the end, I'm just sitting on my paws, I don't know. I'm sim testing a new methodology that using a tight stop 3 times my TP. How do you have a tight stop 3 times your TP? Is your TP 1 tick and your stop is 3 ticks? That's crazy. That to me already sounds very difficult to make money with that strategy. Once you lose one, you're gonna go insane. Hitting the top of the triangle now. Maybe ping-ponging here for a while. The price action today, again, oozes trading range price action. It's just so many overlapping bars, just grindy. Limit order market. So if you're not used to trading with limit orders, then this might be hard for you. It definitely will be hard for me. Listen, I messed up. I meant a wide stop loss 3 times my TP. It does seem, I mean, it does seem very difficult to make money. Ooh, this trap's about to fail. Failure on the trap here. Blasting off, breaking out. What to do here? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna try to enter this breakout? I don't know. Everything seems sus today. Essentially a bear trap, right? The 5-minute chart. Prince's strong bear bar, bear trap reverses. So now those bears are all trapped. Could lead to a nice push up here. Or not. Who knows? It might reverse again. Again, this is why trading range days are so difficult. Whoo! What is this? What is this? Goodness gracious! Looks like it was about to break out and just blast off, but it just reverses on a dime. Tricky. I mean, I'm getting whiplash looking at this. Two outside bar reversals as well. It's insane. Absolutely insane, actually. Are we breaking this triangle down now is the question. We're breaking it down now. Ooh, decent push down. Could be a strong push down here, pandas. Could be a strong push down. Okay. Okay. It's confusing. Crazy. I mean, triangle. What can I say? The triangle works out as I thought it would. Just very hard to time, right? Very hard to time the breakouts on triangles. Okay. Decent push down here. Oh, 07 fails like entry long in the 5 minute. That's true. Absolutely true. Also, fails like entry long on the 10,000 tick as well. This is wild though. Strong bear bar ending on his near his low. No follow through whatsoever. What is this? This is wild. Like, if you know, the smart thing for me to do today literally is to close the charts down and walk away. Because I know days like this destroy my accounts. Usually destroy my accounts days like this. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Truly. Truly, very difficult price action. What can I say? Okay, coming back into our triangle. Is that what's happening here? Goodness gracious. Are we gonna bounce off of it? What is happening? Failed breakdown? Double bottom now, perhaps? Difficult. Absolutely difficult here. Okay. A lower high, perhaps. Do I like it? Confusing. Could be double bottom here.
Tick trap.
I'm already like settled with myself that I may just not take a trade rest of the stream. Not because I want to, but because I want to be in that mindset. I don't want to have FOMO. Right? I don't want to enter a setup where I feel like I have to enter in. I just have to be okay with. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not the kind of day I like to trade. It's not the price action I like. It's very difficult for me. Like, you know, it would be very difficult for me just to sell right here. Just to sell or buy right here. Look for a bounce or something with a limit order. With these two strong bear bars like this, I'm just so trained when I see like multiple bear bars, multiple bull bars, thinking it's a trend. It's just very difficult for me to go against that natural, I guess, tendency or response. Just enjoy the music. Relax, pandas. Man, this thing is super annoying. Keeps on. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. It's never done this before. Can you get a lower high set up here? You guys think there's a real life villain like in the movies that causes disasters to move markets? Well, what's that one guy who seemingly caused the 2008 crash? It was like some Indian day trader who spoofed the market, creating like made it look like there's massive orders to sell, and it just caused panic. Yeah, his name is Jerome Powell. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, but like he was like, yeah, he went to court. He went to court for that, spoofing the market. All right, we're gonna just stop with the camera. It just keeps freezing. I don't know what it is. Really don't know what it is. That's crazy. All right, come back into our trading range. Come back to our triangle. What's going on? This is crazy. Ruben, I'm chilling. My head is kind of hurting right now. Yeah, just take a break. Take that break. Much needed break. I'm hanging out. I'm chilling. I already know what kind of market this is, and this is not the ones that I like. I'll tell you that much right now.
10,000 tick trap.
Hey, at least I'm green. I'm $8 green, pandas. Like I said, that's like 4 Chipotle burritos. Ruben Morera says, yeah, day trading is addicting. It's so hard to close everything, especially when you lose. I think the best and hardest punishment is just leaving. That's called mental capital. Literally explaining what mental capital is. Your mental capital is done. It's drained. Once you lose and your mental capital, it just means that your mental capital is very little. Your mental capital has to be strengthened to take a couple hits and move on. And if it's not, you gotta walk away and really come back when you don't feel that urge to have to chase your losses. That's all mental capital right there. That's psychology, pure psychology. It's very difficult. I'm not trying to say that oh, it's so easy to fix. I'm just saying that that's what literally you're explaining right now. It's hard. The mental capital aspect, the psychological aspect of trading is probably the downfall of like 80% of traders. I think the other 10% is people who just don't have a system at all. Like most people, like any system pretty much works as long as you trade it in the right context. Right? I mean, the first question you gotta ask is this: what market cycle are we in? The market cycle we are in is a trading range market cycle. So throw out out the window all trading strategies that have to do with trends, have to do with breakouts. Forget these things, and you gotta put your trading range cap on and be only looking out for that until it stops working or until you sense in the PA that the market cycle has changed. I truly have no idea what's happening right now. Kyle L sticking around. This is probably his record of staying on stream. Even for Kyle L, this day is not the day. Not it. I would say, if it's not today, then tomorrow we most likely will test the all-time highs, which is this gold line up here. This is a daily chart, 2000 tick chart, right? The gold line is, oh, it looks far away, but it is up here. Same line. GC Berg says trade smaller. Most traders trade too big, and the unavoidable loss is freaking them out when it's really just business as usual. Yep, that's 100% true. You're trading too large. If you're stressed in your trade, then that means you're trading too large. I should be trading one MES contract because that gives me zero stress. Woo! We're getting pushed down now. Push down. I mean, it's not that strong, but it is a push down. Finally, it might be hitting the bottom of the trading ranges on the higher time frames. Even on the 2000 tick chart showing a trading range. We've been in one, and we may come back to the bottom of it to test it. Jeez Louise. Turtle toes. Yeah, I mean, financially, if you can't afford evals and things like that, then you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta make sure, in all things are in order first, right? Like priority things. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range now, finally. 10,000 tick chart coming back to the bottom of the trading range. 5-minute chart coming back to the bottom of the trading range. Get to the top, get to the bottom. Easy peasy. Jeez, alright. We hit the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. 10,000 tick chart, we're almost at the bottom of the trading range. 2,000 tick chart, we're almost at the bottom of the trading range. 10,000 tick chart, we finally hit the bottom of the trading range. Cool, no entries. I don't know.
10,000 tick trap.
$10,000 tick chart balancing out the bottom of the trading range like perfectly here. Cool. Trap trade here, not interested. It's just, there's nothing I can do here. Pandas, I think we win today. You know, if you're flat or slightly green, even slightly red, I think you win today. I think if you can get away today relatively unscathed, you did a good job. You did an amazing job. And I do appreciate the company. I do love, I believe we have the best community on YouTube verified. So, hey, it's still a pleasure, you know, watching this paint dry, watching this slow grind. And, you know, what can I say? What can I say? You know, at least we get to spend some time together, make some fun jokes, have one or two decent good trades. And I'm moving on. But Pandas, you know what time it is. Make sure you guys use, take advantage of BBM. 80% off evals while it still lasts. And hope to see you guys tomorrow. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. Seriously, trade safe, everyone. And I hope, you know, yeah, trade safe, please. Please, please, please. Let's trade. Let's have a better day tomorrow, you know? Let's wait for it. I mean, at least for me, I want to wait for a day where the price action actually fits my style. And this is not it today. So, Pandas, you know, it might be different for you. So, whichever one it is, trade well. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.